Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is the reading for October month. Love readings for October month. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well, Sagittarius. So let us see what's there for you in love. Hopefully some awesome stuff. First I will pick out your energies, then your person's energy, and then we will just see a likely outcome. Energy sometimes could be vice versa also. I hope you know that. So this is your energy, Sagittarius. The Devil. So this is, let us go. This could be a Capricorn. And Page of Cups. So it seems that some of you Sagittarius might fall for a Capricorn. It could be a new love, or you know you are already into a love situation here with a Capricorn here, or I mean this is Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So this is like receiving message of love, or you know text, or meeting up, or falling for someone. So this could be a special younger person in your life. This is what I get here. So maybe you know a Capricorn could fall for you, or a water sign could fall for you, Sagittarius here. New love beginning. I feel this is somebody who is new love has begun. For very few of you it could be a third party situation. It could be somebody you know, or a love triangle, a little toxic in nature. So just be careful of that. So maybe you know there are certain hidden things that you do not know about the person you have fallen for, if it's a new love for you here. So just be careful. This is what I get here. So some of you Sagittarius, new person coming into your life, younger person, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and beware of a little toxic or negativity in there could be some negativity, or this person could be an alcoholic, or you know into substance abuse, or greedy, or anything, or you know, yeah. So this is what I get here. Let us see what else for Sagittarius here. So Knight of Cups, Sagittarius, this is your card. Knight of Cups. So again, Nine of Cups. So it's interesting, like Sagittarius, I feel some of you pulled away from a relationship. That is what you pulled away, and you want to be single, or you are single now. You have pulled out of a relationship, and that makes you feel happy. That is what I feel here. You are enjoying that. This is like it's not a single energy. Nine of no, this is not Nine of Pentacles. This is Nine of Cups. So I'll just take it from here freshly. Like there is a message coming to you, somebody reaching out to you, your person reaching out to you, you know. It's a wish fulfillment card actually. I was just talking of the contrast situation. I assumed it Nine of Pentacles kind of. That is a single energy. This is like completely fulfilling. So you are having good time with your person. You are having a, you know, this is like Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio if it's your person. So you are having good time with that. You are feeling bad. I mean, you are enjoying. You are going to parties. You are, you know, going out together. And because you receive a message, or a person has come into your life, this is what I get here. So beautiful energy, feeling good. Some of you are really feeling fulfilled and happy, and it's a wish fulfillment card too. So maybe you wanted to manifest a certain person, Sagittarius, you will get them in October, you know. Ex, or you know, even if it's an ex or a new person, it applies to both. Now let me pull out one more of your energy card. Yeah, so I said Nine of Pentacles here, you see. So Nine of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. It seems that Sagittarius, you know, you wanted a relationship, you wanted I feel there was some stress here, which you know, your person, maybe if they are Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, want to work on this relationship right now, but it seems you have pulled out of this relationship. You are showing as the single energy here, because you found that there was a lot of work needed on this relationship. Maybe you know you needed a lot of work. Maybe you wanted to enjoy things like this Nine of Cups you get here. You wanted to enjoy, and you wanted to you know, be together with your person, and you wanted full commitment from their side. You wanted somebody who would be by your side and be at the time of your emotional needs. But it seems that with this Three of Pentacles, so you were always thinking of them as your team, who would be together. But it seems that it did not happen like that. So you were stressed here, you were looking for more maturity, and you felt like their energies were like little immature, they were behaving immature. So maybe you have distanced yourself from the person. You wanted a commitment, you wanted a serious relationship, and you wanted to be happy. That is what we get of with the Nine of Cups. You wanted to be happy, but somewhere you and your person were not on the same page for some of you here. So this is what I get. Yeah, so maybe some of you have pulled out from a relationship. You have distanced yourself, or you have pulled out. So there, for some of you, there is like no contact, no communication kind of situation here. So let us see what your person feels here. So energies of your person here. Love is quite confusing, I feel. Some of you, getting your person, enjoying the other part, the distance. So it's like that. Knight of Cups. Okay, this is your person definitely. Okay, so King of Cups, Knight of Cups. This is Saji. It seems that your person really has love for you. They feel for you. They they really miss you. If you are not in touch with them, they have lot of emotions for you. This is what I feel with this cup. Your person really misses you, and they are stressed about this distance. That is what, and whatever they have been going through, it's very difficult for them. They are going through, I mean, because maybe you have pulled out or you have been acting cold, so it's causing a lot of stress for them. They are really stressed about this thing, about this situation. So Ten of Pentacles and the World. Okay, Nine of Cups. Okay, so some of you, there is a World card here again. So some of you, Sagittarius, it seems, will move away. The World card is like moving away from a relationship. That is what I feel here. Ten of Pentacles, especially if it's a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, so there will be a closing of a cycle, moving away from this relationship. This is what I get here. Let me see. Okay, so it seems that you were more burdened on this relationship, so you will move on from this relationship. Some of you, you are gonna move on. The person you thought was your destiny, you was everything for you, things did not work out, and it was stressful, and then you are moving over. With the World coming here, this is a completion of a cycle here. For very few of you, you may take your this thing to the next level, to Ten of Pentacles. With this World card, you might get married, you might get engaged, taking your relationship to next level, to on a happier note, on a moving forward note, Saji. So this is what one more energy card. So some of you are getting married. Ten of Pentacles with this World card is a beautiful combination. So best, so will be long-term commitment, marriage, or engaging, or taking the relationship forward in the best possible way. Now Justice, this is your person, the Hermit, okay, and the Queen of Wands. So sir, definitely your person wants balance in this relationship. They want balance. They are lonely now, they are depressed now, and they want to reach out to you, or they want you to reach out to them. This is what I feel here. They are in cold, they are feeling left out. This is some of your person, especially if it's a Virgo, if it's a Libra, if it's an Aquarius, Gemini. So some of them are really feeling alone, and they want you to reach out, or they will reach out. So let us see a likely outcome. What could be the likely outcome? What could be the likely outcome for Sagittarius here? There is Tower, okay, and Eight of Pentacles. It seems reading Four of Pentacles. So maybe those who are into breakup situation could see a reconciliation. This is also I got for other sign here. This is, see, a tower, something off and on relationship or breakup. If there is a distance or there is a breakup, this is like 8 of Pentacle, wanting to work on again, and 4 of Pentacle is like wanting stability, balance. So this is like, it seems a card of reconciliation. So some of you are getting back together. This is what I get here, Sagittarius, for you. Definitely, if it's an earth sign, again, you are there could be chances of a second chance. So it seems that if they reach out to you and ask for a second chance, some of you might go for this relationship, Sagittarius. So this is it, Sagittarius. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel if it resonates with you, and like, comment and share, and thank you so much.